Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Linktree link that you can put on Instagram. You could also use it in other places, but it works really well for Instagram. And why might you want to put it on Instagram? Well, because Instagram only allows you to put one link in your profile. So if you have a variety of different social media accounts, like a YouTube channel, a website, Twitter, things of that nature, you can put them in this Linktree link. And then when you can direct people to your profile, you could say, hey, I have this video that I want to show you. Click on the link in my profile to get there, or something like that. Or for me, like for recipes, you can say, click on my website and you'll find the recipe. The link is in my profile. So when they come to your profile, they can see that Linktree link. They click on it and it'll have a drop down of several different links that you can direct people to. Pretty awesome. So that's why you might want to do that. And I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super easy. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. Okay, so in order to build a link with Linktree, you need to create an account on Linktree, and it's really easy to do. Just go to linktr.ee, and then you'll be brought to this screen. And then what you'll do is, if you already have an account, just hit login or sign up for free. And then when you go there, just put in your email, a user name, password, and then repeat the password and hit register. And then once you do that, you will get an email asking you to verify your email, and then do that. You'll get another email, and you'll be ready to start building links, okay? And then what we can do is, once you have your account, be brought to settings. Over here on the right is what it's going to look like. I already have it set up. And so you can see what the link is going to look like. It's really cool looking. In order to create these links, see, if I click on here, it takes me to the website. YouTube channel. Etc. Okay? So in order to get these, first go here to settings. You don't have to worry anything about the settings. You can click on this support anti-racism thing if you want, and this will show up down below. If you want to do that, you can certainly set that up just by clicking this over like this. And then this shows you what it looks like here. This is what it will look like. And then you can just down arrow that if you want to set that up. Now, and you can go to appearance, and then you can click on what you want it to look like. I just have this smoke one, but you can click any number one of these. And then over here on the right is what it's going to look like. These are all the free versions. I really like this one right here. It's pretty cool. This one's pretty neat too. Just whatever. There's a lot of just free ones that you can do. If you want to pay for it's like $6 a month or something for the pro account, you have different ones available for you there. And now the main thing that we want to do is start building links. So right here is where we can build our links. I already have these links set up, and it's really simple. So I'm not going to delete these, but I'll just show you how to create a new one. So go here to add new link. And then you can just put in the title here. Let's say I want to direct people to my Twitter account. I already have a Twitter one down there, but I'll just show you what it is. And then all you do is just add in your URL for your Twitter. Okay? And once you put it on there, just click this to make it be green. Click it on green, and then it's going to show up right there. If you click on it, it'll take you to the Twitter. Okay? Now I already have one of these, so I'm just going to delete that one. All right, and then you can also rearrange these. Like if I want the website to be second underneath the YouTube channel, I can just arrange it. And then over here, I'm going to check this off for a moment, just because I want you to be able to see this more clearly, okay? So however you arrange these, it's going to show you over here. And then once you make it, just go here and click it to make sure it works. So all this is done on the desktop. You don't build this on your phone at all. I guess you could use the browser on your phone to do this. It'll just be harder to do it, but you can do it all from your desktop. Okay? So that's essentially what you do. And then up here is your link. Right here is your link, and just click on share. And then you can copy your link. And then you can come over here. I already have it here on Instagram, but you'll just edit your profile. And then right here where it says website, put in that link. You'll hit submit. And then when you come back to your Instagram page, you'll be able to click on it. And then you'll see the links. Pretty awesome. And now here I am with my phone. I have the phone just mirrored over to my iMac. And then this is what Instagram looks like on my phone. And I can scroll down, you'll see those images. And then I'll scroll back up. And then if I click on the Linktree in the Kitchen with Matt link with my finger, it'll bring me to those links. And then if I press here on the website link, it takes me to the website. Pretty awesome and really easy to do. All right, and that is how easy it is to create a Linktree link for Instagram to direct people to other places that you might want to send them to. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor, and this is my variety channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Until next time, take care.